So hi everyone, welcome to my Python tutorial again. For this problem, I will show you how to declare many values to multiple variables in Python. And now we need to find our PyCharm app. Go to the project one, right click, and then go to the new and Python file. Now put up problem number 6. After that, we need to put our code, which is the problem number 6 code. So that's the code of the problem number 6. The first line declares 3 variables in one line, A, B, and C. It also gives them values at the same time. So A is equals to 5, an integer because it's whole number. B is hello, a string because text inside the quotes. C is equals to 3.5, a float number because it has a decimal point. The second line is this prints the text A is followed by the value of A. The output become A is 5 because A as value is 5. Third line is this prints B is followed by the value of B. The result is B is hello because B contains the text hello. The fourth line is this prints C is followed by the value of C. The output becomes C is 3.5 because C as value is 3.5. We run the program. All 3 print statements display one after another showing. So the result is A is 5, B is hello, and C is 3.5.